Hey, imagine turning Google Maps into a goldmine of business intelligence. In just a few clicks in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically scrape Google Map listings, extract website data, find contact details, analyze reviews, and build a powerful lead generation system that works while you sleep. Ready to supercharge your prospecting? Let's dive in. I'm Alexandra Spalato, a full-stack AI engineer, international public speaker, dedicated to help businesses implement AI to transform their operations. So let's go. Okay, so first let's have an overview of what we are going to build. So I'm going to use PyDream, which is my favorite automation tools because you can chain more than 2,000 applications, and I can also run code inside, but don't worry, I will show you how you can generate this code, and you have also a lot of pre-built actions, so don't worry about that. So first we run Apify, which is a scraping tool, and we are going to scrape restaurants, but of course you can scrape any business you want to target. We are going to scrape restaurant in Soho, which is a neighborhood in London. We are going to scrape 20 places. Of course you can scrape a lot of more. This is just for the demo. And we limit the number of reviews to 50 and reviews that are newer than 1 year. And okay, United Kingdom, London. Okay, so then we get all the items, we parse this data, we clean the company name, we clean the URL, we summarize reviews, we scrape the website to extract emails and social media, we find the missing emails with an email finder, then we parse the final data to make it compatible with Airtable, and then we send everything to Airtable, and this is the result. Okay, so we have a grid view here, and a gallery view and a grid view. I really like the gallery view. So if I open one, we have the address, the phone, the website, the domain, and here I have made a prompt to target which are the marketing issues. If I'm a digital marketing agency and I want to target, I want to see if this lead is good. So visibility problems, business strengths, opportunities, key codes, confusion, lead quality, etc. But you can prompt it in whatever the way you want. Okay, so this is the result. Now let's dive in details on how you can build this system. And of course, you can download for free the template. Just click on the link below, and so you have everything done for you. Okay, so now let's build that together. So I have created a new workflow in PyDream, and as trigger I had a webhook, but we are going to run this manually. And in PyDream, while a workflow is not deployed, you have to be run manually, but also while it's not deployed, it's totally free. So while you are testing and trying things, or if you have workflows that can be run manually, it would be totally free. So then the next step, it's Apify to scrape Google Maps. And so I have here connected my account. Let's observe. So if I go to here and I have a step Apify just to show you how it works. I have pre-configured it because if not, it takes time. So here it's Apify, and we have pre-built actions, and the one we have chosen is Run Actor. But you can also use a node, a module in JavaScript, and you can write the code if you have things to do more custom. We will see that later, but you can generate this code. So this is how it works. Okay, so here I have connected to my account. Then you have the actor IDs that are listed. You see here you have all the options. So this is the one, crawler Google Places, and the search term in restaurants. Here I choose to search restaurants in Manhattan in New York, so it's always better to concentrate on the neighborhood. You can scrape any business you want, of course. We limit to 20 places. the number of reviews to 50 from 1 year, and United States and New York. Okay, so we test it. Okay, so now it's running, and we are going to see here. Okay, okay, it has run, but it's still running here, so you have to wait for the next step. As you can see here, it's running, and it will take about 2 minutes, 2 minutes to run, so we have to wait for that. Okay, so now our scraping is done. As you see, scraping succeed, and it has taken 1 minute, about 2 minutes, and cost about 5 cents for 20 leads. So let's go back to PipeDream and see how we can see that. So next here, you can see we don't have the data. We need the default dataset ID. So I copy the path, and I had a new step. And here I have pre-built an action. So when you build custom nodes, you can register them in your action and reuse them. So this one is Apify get dataset items. Okay, and here I put my dataset ID, and okay, I have to connect again my Apify account, and then I test this step. And now we are going to have all this content. So you see we have all the data from Google Maps, which is a lot. So now we need to parse it. So let's see what we have done here. Here, see, to parse the data, and I'm going to show you that we can totally generate this code. So, okay, so for that I need a new node here, and here I need node 1, so I just choose run node code, and so here I can generate it. So okay, so I have already written the prompt to generate the code. So can you add the data as props of type object? So props in PipeDream are the bits of data that you can pass in the inputs as variables in the node, and parse it to get the title as company name, the address, the website, the category name as category. Extract the domain from the website using the extract domain npm package. So in PipeDream you can add external package in the blocks of JavaScript or Python, which is very, very useful. So only if the website exists, so you extract the domain if the website exists, if not you will break. The total score as total rating, and the reviews. Data is an array of objects, so you need to map around each item and only return reviews if they exist. So let's test if this code works. So I click generate, and now you are going to see the magic happen. So this code is written here. So okay, the package extract domain. So let me explain you how it works. So here the props, type object, label data, and here this is from PipeDream. We have these steps, so it refers to the previous steps. What comes from the props, we get it with this, so this data, and we map, so it means that we iterate on each item. So map item, company name equal item title, address item address, etc. We check that there is reviews, otherwise we return null, and the domain website, and we return all that. So let's use this code and see if it works. Okay, so yes, we need to pass the data. So here on the previous step, we want the return value, so we copy the path and we add it here. Okay, and now we can test our step. Okay, so here we go. So we have it, you know, company name, address, website, domain, category, total rating, and all the reviews are here. Okay, cool. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so now we are going to explore the rest of the workflow in the one I have built previously. So first, we want now to clean the company name because sometimes the company name is too long, and if we want to use that in an email, we don't want to have all this LLC or whatever. So for that we use OpenAI, and again we use a custom action because we use the pre-built one. So here you can see the pre-built one. If I ask for OpenAI, we have a lot of things, but here I have chosen use any OpenAI in Node.js, and again I have generated the code here. So here as app, I connect OpenAI first, and then here we take the data from the previous step. The previous step I have named it parse data, and again we map around all the items, and here I say a very simple print, clean the company name to something friendly to write in an email, don't comment, only return the simplified company name. Okay, so let's run it and see what happened. Test. So let's see what we have. Okay, you see Lexington Pizza, for example. This one was really longer, Lexington Pizza Parlor, so it was a bit long. Let's see another one, Sfoglia Foods, Serafina Tribeca. This one was terrible. Here it was Serafina Italian Restaurant Tribeca. You see, we have much friendlier name if we want to run and to write an email from there. Then we want also to clean the website URL because sometimes they are very long, and so it's not so good. So we have another OpenAI custom node module. So let's run it, and I use GPT-4o mini here, and as well for the company name. So this is running. Okay, so you see we have clean URLs now, and now we want to summarize the reviews, and again I'm using OpenAI with custom code. So this one is a bit more complex, but again I have generated everything, and here I pass the prompt as a prop, so you can really customize it. So here I have customized it to identify marketing opportunities on these leads. So you have the prompt here, and we run it. Okay, so now all our reviews are summarized, you see, and classified in diverse categories, etc. So from there we can do many things. We can qualify the leads. We can use this data to write emails. So let me know in the comments what you would like me to show you, what we can do in the next step with this data, and also if you want to book a free consulting where I can analyze with you your business, see the bottlenecks, see what we can improve together, please book this free audit now, just below. Okay, so now we have these reviews, and now we want to scrape the website to extract the email and all the social media that we can. So we have another step, which is again a node step with custom code that I have fully generated again, even if I'm a coder. So it's using Cheerio, which is a package for scraping, and you see he has written the email regex to find the emails, and all the social media. So let's run it. Okay, so now it has scraped the websites, and sometimes it can be blocked, and sometimes it don't find the email on the website or the social media. So we don't have all the emails, but we have some. So here's the first one. You didn't get an email on social media. In this one neither. Here We have 3 emails, oops, and a Facebook and an Instagram, etc. So now we want to get the emails that we didn't get by the scraping way. So for that we are going to use an email finder. So again, I have used the app, but I have generated the code because we want to map around all items. So imagine without code that would be much more complicated. So we run it now. So now we need to parse the data to correspond to the Airtable template that I have built. So again, it's a node module, and I map everything, company name to company, address, phone, etc. And then we have an Airtable step, and again it's custom. Also I noticed that you can only record 10 items at a time in Airtable. So I ask again with AI to make chunks of 10 items so everything can be registered in one time. And again, PipeDream is trained on all these APIs, so on the Airtable one, so it was very easy to ask it to write code to register all records inside Airtable. So let's run it, and while it's running it, let's go to Airtable and see the final result. So okay, and here it is. We see we have everything here, and we can display it as a gallery. And yes, I think that's awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments, and what you would like me to dig more, because there is a lot of material here. We can go in many directions, so we can use it to write cold emails. We can use the phone to create voice agents that call them, and we can nurture them using these reviews. There is a lot of value in these reviews, but we can also scrape, for example, LinkedIn or other social media to get more valuable data, and depending on the industry we can do different things. So this can go in many directions. So here I just wanted to focus on the scraping and getting the data. Now we can do many things with all this data and business intelligence. So let me know in the comment, and again, please book a free consulting now. I'm beginning this channel, so my calendar has space, but I think that will not be for so long. So book your free consulting now, and we can check together how we can streamline your business. I will be super happy to talk to any one of you that can book a call. So I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments, and every week I'm going to release new tutorials like this one. So subscribe and let me know what you want to see. I have a lot of things also about PipeDream, which I love. So let me know if you like it. If you like also to learn how to learn the basic of coding, this is something that I think can be very interesting. Let me know in the comment, subscribe, and see you next week. Bye.